Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video I will show you how you can fix your keyboard problem, your Google keyboard. If your mic is not working and language is not changing, how you can fix. If there is an error showing or another problem, how you can fix it. Before starting the video, if you have not subscribed to our YouTube channel, then subscribe our YouTube channel and like our video for more videos. So let's start. Go to settings in your infinix smartphone, then swipe down. You can see there is a app management. You can search it on the search bar. Just tap on app management. You can see there is a app list. Click on it. You can see there is a search button. Type G board. You can see, click on this, and there is a storage and cache. First we have to just clear this cache and then clear data. And if it is not working, then restart your phone. It will definitely works. It will fix your problem. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more helpful tips and tricks videos. See you next time.